This week was Revenge of the 5th, so I had to make at least one dark side drink. Come to the dark side, we have whiskey. Let's go. Welcome back to Old Fashioned Ways. I'm Darth Martinez, and if you didn't know, I'm a little bit of a Star Wars fan. I tend to lean more towards the dark side, so when Jason from Whiskey Therapy came out with this drink, I knew I had to take it and play with it a little bit and make it into an old-fashioned riff. Jason was on my Star Wars Live the other night, and we had a lot of fun. So if you missed it, I will leave a link for it right here. He also made a video showcasing 4 Star Wars inspired cocktails. So make sure to check out his video. I will leave a link for that below. But enough talk, time to join the dark side. The dark side ingredients: 2 ounces bourbon, half an ounce blackberry liqueur, squeeze of lemon, black walnut bitters, lemon bitters. We're gonna start off by adding half an ounce of blackberry liqueur. Now, this can make it pretty sweet pretty quickly. So if you want your sweet less drink, add a little bit less. But if you want it more sweet, we'll add some more. His recipe called up to a whole ounce of it, so nothing wrong with that. But this is gonna give it some sweetness, but make it the drink a little darker as well. Now, you wanna add some of this black walnut bitters to add some flavor and bring out some of those flavor notes inside that bourbon. 1 to 2 dashes is more enough. I like my stuff with bitters, so I put 2 solid dashes in there. But I'm also gonna add 1 dash of lemon bitters. Now, his recipe calls for a whole half ounce of lemon. I don't want to overdo that because then it really takes it away from an old fashioned. So I figure, why not highlight the lemon with some lemon bitters? All right, so I'm gonna use this Wild Turkey 101, and we're using 2 ounces of this. Now this one's a little bit special. I actually aged this in a barrel, so it's a little bit darker, has a little bit more flavors. I think it's perfect for this. You can even use something that's a little bit higher proof to bring out more of that whiskey flavor. But this is one I thought would be perfect for this drink tonight. You're welcome, Tom Black. Now, as I said, his recipe called for a whole half ounce of lemon. I don't want that much in here. I just want a little hint of that lemon, and hopefully that bitters will highlight it a little bit more as well. So I'm not even using a whole quarter. I'm using a small one and just kind of squeezing that over the top here. Now, time to stir this up a little bit. And there you have it. Look at that, nice and dark. You smell lemon and bourbon. Ooh, let's go in for that. Ooh, yeah, nice. You get a sweetness up front. That cassis hits there. The lemon, that hint of lemon kind of takes over, and then you get the bourbon. Nice little hug at the end there. Oh yeah, that's a good dark side drink. Now, you need to join the dark side. We have old fashions. Thank you for joining me on another journey down my old fashioned rabbit hole. To our next journey, my friends, may the force be with you.